Hey everyone, welcome to another tutorial. This video explores the query function in Elementor add-ons like Element Pack Pro. The query function lets you control which posts, pages, or custom content appear in your widgets. It's a powerful way to filter and display dynamic content exactly how you want it. Whether you're using a post grid, carousel, or gallery, the query settings help you customize your layout with precision. Ready to get started? Let's jump in. For this demonstration, we've already inserted the Post Grid widget from the Element Pack. Let's now dive into the query section. The first option you'll see is the source. The source controls what content will be displayed. You can select from posts, pages, floating elements, mega menu items, template items, manual selection, current query, and related. Whatever you choose will be shown in your editor. In this case, we've selected posts, which is why posts are displayed. Next, you'll notice two subtabs, Include and Exclude. The Include subtab lets you choose specific content to display based on set criteria. Under Include By, you'll find options like authors and terms. If you select authors, you can display posts from particular authors. Once you choose the authors option, an additional field will appear below, allowing you to select one or multiple authors as needed. From the Include By field, you can also select terms. This option allows you to filter content by categories, tags, or custom taxonomies. For example, here we've selected multiple categories. Now, let's move on to the Exclude subtab. This option enables you to remove or hide specific content from your widget. Clicking on the Include By field will show four options: authors, current post, manual selection, and terms. You can use any of these options to exclude content from appearing based on your selection. Returning to the Include subtab, let's look at the Offset option. The offset lets you skip a certain number of posts from the beginning of the query results. For example, if you have 10 posts and set the offset to 2, the first 2 posts will be skipped, and the remaining posts will be displayed. The next option is Date. The Date option allows you to display your selected source based on specific periods. You can choose from options like All, Past Day, Past Week, Past Month, Past Quarter, Past Year, or a custom range to filter your posts by date. Next, you'll find the Order By option. This lets you sort your selected posts based on criteria such as title, Idaho, date, author, comment count, menu order, last modified, or random. Choose the option that best suits how you want your posts to appear. Following this is the Order option, which controls the direction in which your content is displayed. You can choose between Ascending, which displays content from oldest to newest, or Descending, which shows content from newest to oldest. Then, there are two toggle switches. Ignore sticky posts and only featured image post. Enabling Ignore sticky posts will prevent sticky posts from appearing on your page. Meanwhile, if you enable only featured image post, only posts with featured images will be shown and the others will be hidden. Finally, the last option is Query ID. The Query ID provides a unique identifier for your query, which is particularly useful when you want to customize or link multiple widgets using the same query logic, often with custom code or filters. Remember, you can also find these options within the Exclude subtab for additional control over your content. That's a quick overview of the query function. It lets you filter, include, exclude, and sort content to create dynamic, customized layouts. Whether for posts, pages, or custom content, the query function gives you full control, helping you design engaging, relevant pages effortlessly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.